This video will demonstrate how to upload an exam on SAS Link. There are multiple ways that you can deliver your exam to the ATC. This should be identified in the faculty testing instruction form. If you selected to upload the exam on SAS Link, this video will show you how to do that. First, log into SAS Link using your Trinity credentials. Click on Alternative Testing, which can be found underneath Views and Tools. It will take you to this page. Down at the bottom, there is a list of exam requests. The first step is to select the action you want to take. You can see that there are some options when it comes to what action you can take. Your options will be Upload File to Exam, Specify Exam Instructions, which will be demonstrated in another video, and to export all exam details. If you're wanting to upload an exam file, then select Upload File to Exams. Next, check the boxes next to the requests that should receive the exam file you are planning on uploading. You can check multiple boxes if the exam applies to them. After you select the request, go down to click Confirm your selection to proceed with uploading the exam file. This is where you will upload your exam. Please note the instructions up at the top as it is related to information about the file you are planning on uploading. Down at File Information, this is where you will upload your exam. It lets you know which exam this is applying to by providing you with the course, the student's name, and the date and time the exam is taking place. If you click multiple requests, they should be listed here. You will see there is Exam File Note. This is optional. It just provides a simple note to the ATC to identify this file. Below Exam File Note is Select File. This is where you will actually upload your exam. Click Choose File and find the exam you want to upload. Once the file is selected, click on Upload Exam to complete the process. When you go back to the list of exams, you will see the exam file is uploaded to the request. You will see it underneath the status column. If you have any questions, please contact the ATC.